Hi and welcome to Quick Add Math on Modulus Functions. Now, before we speak of modulus functions, we shall understand the definition of modulus. The modulus of x is written as two bars sandwiching the x. And when x is equal to 4, modulus 4 is 4. And when x is minus 4, modulus minus 4 remains 4. In summary, the modulus of a number is identical to the magnitude of the number, irrespective of whether the number is positive or negative in nature. By the same logic, if modulus x is equal to y, then x is equal to y and x is equal to minus y. And in expanded form, if modulus ax plus b is equals to cx plus d, then ax plus b is equal to cx plus d and minus cx plus d in brackets. To check for understanding, let's solve modulus 10 minus 2x equals 4 in tutorial question 1. Against the given equation, 10 minus 2x is equal to 4, or 10 minus 2x is equal to minus 4. We would then rejuggle the equation to solve for their respective x. The required solution is x equals 3 or 7. Let's move on to tutorial question 2 and solve for the modulus of x squared minus 10 equaling 6. Again, this would mean that x squared minus 10 equals 6, or this being equaling to minus 6, and solve for the various x values. What about when the equation is part modulus and a part not being modulus on the left-hand side as in tutorial question 3? Now the trick is to move anything that is not in modulus form to the right-hand side, keeping the left-hand side purely as a modulus, and solve for x minus 5. This would in turn work out as the usual, x minus 5 being equal to the positive of 13 minus x and the negative of 13 minus x, and solving for x in accordance. Tutorial question 4. Solve the simultaneous equation involving y equals 3x and y equals the modulus of 2x squared minus 5. With y equals 3x and the modulus of 2x squared minus 5, what it means is the modulus of 2x squared minus 5 is equal to 3x. Then solve for the standard modulus equation. This would give us the x values of minus 1, 2.5, minus 2.5, and 1. By observing the graphs on the right, the y equals 3x line only intercepts the line of y equals modulus 2x squared minus 5 when x is a positive number. Therefore, we would only be looking at when the values are x equals 1 and x equals 2.5 for their respective y's. The solution are the respective coordinates of 1, 3, and 2.5, 7.5. Tutorial question 5. Draw the graph for y equals modulus 2x plus 6 minus 5. We'll start by plotting the line of y equals 2x plus 6, which would be the dotted line in green. To obtain y equals the modulus of 2x plus 6, we would invert the negative portions of the green dotted line to form the V-shaped green line. As for the required y equals modulus 2x plus 6 minus 5, we would be moving the V green line downwards by 5 values, and this is the blue line and the solution. We've come to the end of the subject on modulus functions. If you found this fruitful, do seek out our other tutorials.